more.
Taking a different direction. Thanks. I'm Jeff. Good to see you guys again. Okay, so this will be WrestleStorm 2 will be broadcast on Triller TV, and it's the same network which has featured GCW, House of Glory, all these other international promotions. Does that add pressure to your game plan for WrestleStorm tomorrow? That your match could be potentially seen by millions all over the planet. Anyone could answer this.
Okay, I feel like if I think about it a little too much, it will add like a lot of pressure on my plate. But like at the same time, I think you just like in every wrestler's performance and fight, we always just have to lock in. So yes, it's going to be seen by millions of people, and yes, it's going to be the first time like a Filipino pro wrestling promotion is gonna be seen on Triller TV. But you know, at the end of the day, it's a fight. At the end of the day, it's something that I have to win versus Joya, who she's really good. But I'm also here to prove that even though she's beat me in the past, perhaps this will be the first time that she's gonna lose to me.
Any other questions? Yes, Rafi?